In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your email inbox to HubSpot quickly and easily. This integration is key for seamless communication and smarter marketing. Start by opening your browser and going to the HubSpot homepage. Click the Login button at the top right and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard. Next, look for the Settings gear icon in the top right corner and click it. In the Settings menu, find the Email tab on the left-hand side. This is where you manage all your email connections. Click Connect Personal Email and select your email provider. HubSpot supports most major platforms. Then, follow the on-screen prompts to authenticate your account. This may include confirming permissions or entering your password. Once connected, your emails will flow directly into HubSpot. This lets you track conversations, organize interactions, and leverage your inbox for smarter CRM management. And that's it. You've successfully integrated your email inbox with HubSpot.